AILEIKE ALKHW-W100TS Integrated Blackbody Radiation Source. Temperature range is 5-100 degrees. Other temperature ranges can be customized if needed. Next, let's operate it. The source of blackbody radiation is how to calibrate an infrared air thermometer. First, press and hold the set button for 3 seconds. Press the decrease button again, then select the PUD value. Then press the set button repeatedly, then select the OAKT value. Directly below OAKT, select heating or cooling mode. REV is the heating mode. FWD is the cooling mode. We select the heating mode. Finally, press and hold the set button for 3 seconds to return to the temperature display screen. Next, set the temperature to be calibrated at 35°. Press the Shift key to move to the 4th digit. Then press the increase or decrease button to set the temperature. After setting the temperature to 35°, press the set button again to confirm. Next, set the knob to heat. The blackbody radiation source begins to heat up automatically. The temperature has risen to 35 degrees. Then take out the air thermometer and aim it at the temperature measurement chamber to measure the temperature. You can see the air thermometer has measured a temperature of 35 degrees with no error. Raise the temperature to 36 degrees Celsius in the same way. Continue by pointing the air thermometer at the temperature measurement chamber opening to measure temperature. The air thermometer has measured a temperature of 36 degrees. Next, set the calibration temperature to 37. The blackbody radiation source continues to heat up automatically. The temperature has risen to 37 degrees. Using the same operation, the air thermometer was aimed at the muzzle and the temperature was measured at 37 degrees. Continue the same process and raise the temperature to the next 38 degrees. Align with the temperature measurement chamber opening to measure temperature. The air thermometer has measured a temperature of 38 degrees. After the air thermometer calibration is complete, the temperature of the blackbody radiation source is raised to 100 degrees. Continue pressing the shift or increase buttons and the decrease button to set the temperature to 100 degrees. The blackbody radiation source continues to heat up automatically. The temperature has risen to 100 degrees. After the heating ends, the next step is to radiate the blackbody radiation source. The power should only be turned off when the temperature drops to room temperature. So set the knob on the radiation source to stop blackbody radiation source start. Natural cooling occurs when the temperature of the blackbody radiation source has dropped to room temperature. Finally, turn off the main power to complete the measurement.